Good morning guys, we have Lexus 2017 RX 450 today, and it has the injector maintenance required error, which is not a real problem in the engine, but this error comes up time by time and you can remove that error by some steps which I will show you, and I will show you the error also on the dash. So when you start the car, you will see this error, injector maintenance required, and all you need to do is, I will tell you the steps also. So this is the race, this is the brake. So I'll turn off the engine. So it's off now. After turning it off, don't press the brake, and push power button twice. So it will go into this mode, and now you need to push the brake. You need to keep it pressed, and then here on the gear, do it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is done, this step is done. Now press the brake together with accelerator or speed, and press the power button. And now you see this error has gone. If you turn off the car now, and with pressing brake, normally you do to start the car, you start the car and you see the dash. Now error has gone. So this is the way you can remove this error. It's not a real problem in your engine, it's just the error shows in your display, in your dash, and it doesn't affect anything. If you don't remove it, it will not affect anything, but it's just annoying to show up, to pop up every time on the dash. So see you on the next video.